Welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to set up iPhone focus mode. Focus mode on your iPhone allows you to filter notifications, calls, and alerts to minimize distractions and tailor your iPhone's behavior for specific situations. Here's how to set it up. First, access focus mode. Open the Settings app, then tap Focus. Next, choose or create a focus. Pre-built focus modes. Choose from options like Do Not Disturb, Personal, Work, Sleep, or Others. Are custom to customize on your preference. Create a custom focus. Tap the plus icon in the top right corner. Choose Custom and name your new focus mode, for example, Study. Then tap on Return and tap Next. Now, tap Customize Focus. Next, customize notifications. Allowed people. Tap on Choose People to choose who can contact you during this focus mode. Tap Add People to include specific contacts. Then, toggle on Allow notifications from if you want emergency calls to get through. Now tap Done. Tap on Choose Apps to select apps that can send notifications during this focus mode. To add more apps, tap Add Apps. Then tap Done. Next, configure focus options. Home screen. Tap Options and enable Hide notification badges or choose a custom home screen page. Lock screen. Toggle on lock screen to dim the lock screen and hide notifications or display a custom lock screen. Now tap back. Next, set a schedule or automation. Scheduled activation. Tap Add Schedule or Automation. Choose a time, location, or app to automatically turn on the focus mode. Manual activation. Swipe down from the top right corner to open the control center. Then tap Focus and choose the desired mode. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.